Hello everyone. I am Purushottam Vishwakarma and I welcome you to this sixth part of the chapter The Enemy, Vistas chapter 4. Before that, we have already studied how Sadao saved the life of the prisoner of war Tom. Now Tom is well. What will happen next? Let's see. Before that, there were two incidents on the seventh day of the operation. What were the two incidents? First, all the servants went away, left the house of Sadao. And second thing, a messenger from General Takima came to call Sadao because Dr. Sadao was a very good surgeon and General Takima required him. So let's begin. I thought they had come to arrest you, she said. He gazed down into her anxious eyes. I must get rid of this man for your sake, he said in distress. Somehow I must get rid of him. When Sadao went to meet her while she was tired, not because of her work, because of her fright, अपने डर की वजह से, then she said that she thought that messenger had come to arrest him. He gazed down into her eyes. Sadao looked into her eyes and said that he must get rid of that man, that prisoner of war, for her sake. He said in distress, somehow I must get rid of him. He will manage to get rid of that man by all conditions. Sadao goes to see the general. Then Sadao went to see the general, General Takima. Now they will talk. Of course, the general said weakly because he was feeling weak. I understand fully, but that is because I once took a degree in Princeton. So few Japanese have. I care nothing for the man, Excellency, Sadao said. Sadao replied, I don't care of that man. Now it was obvious that General Takima knew everything about that prisoner of war. He knew very well that he had given shelter to that man. But having operated on him with such success, yes, yes, the general said. So thou is trying to convince, so thou tried to convince him that whatever he did because of his profession of a surgeon. Yes, yes, the general said, it only makes me feel you more indispensable to me. Yeah, that is correct. That is why you are indispensable part of my life. You cannot be separated from my life. Evidently, you can save anyone. It's very clear. You can save anyone. You are so skilled. You say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today. You say तुम तो कहते थे कि मैं एक और अटैक बर्दाश्त कर सकता हूँ. Not more than one, Sadao said. नहीं, इसके बाद नहीं. Then suddenly I can allow nothing to happen to you. Then I am not going to allow you to happen anything to you. The general said with anxiety. His long pale Japanese face became expressionless, which meant that he was in deep thought. That suggested he was in deep thought. He started thinking. You cannot be arrested, the general said. The general said that Sadao could not be arrested because he needed him. Closing his eyes, suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation. सपोज तुमको सजा हो गई और अगले दिन मेरा ऑपरेशन होना है तो क्या होगा? There are other surgeons, Excellency, Sadao suggested. सदाओ ने कहा, और भी तो सर्जन हैं। None I trust, the general replied. किसी पे मैं भरोसा नहीं करता. The best ones have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I died. जो बेस्ट हैं वो जर्मन ट्रेनिंग पाए हुए हैं, और अगर मैं मर भी गया तो भी वो यही कहेंगे कि ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल रहा. I do not care for their point of view. He sighed. It seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with American sentimentality. It seems a pity we cannot combine German ruthlessness. वो बड़े ही ruthlessly ऑपरेशन करते हैं और अमेरिकन सेंटिमेंट्स के साथ ऑपरेशन करते हैं. It is not easy to combine both of them. Then you could turn your prisoner over to execution, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. Then you could turn your prisoner over to execution. You could turn your prisoner over to execution. तुम अपने प्रिजनर को एग्जीक्यूशन में ला सकते हो, सजा दे सकते हो. एंड येट आई कुड बी श्योर यू वुड नॉट मर्डर मी व्हाइल आई वाज अनकॉन्शियस. येट आई कुड बी श्योर, इस पर मैं श्योर हो सकता हूँ. जनरल तकीमा बोलता है कि मैं जब अनकॉन्शियस रहूंगा तो तुम मेरा मर्डर नहीं करोगे. द जनरल लाफ्ड. ही हैड अ हैबिट ऑफ unusual sense of humor. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? He asked. General asked, can you combine these two elements, German ruthlessness along with American sentimentality? Sadao smiled. I am not quite sure, sir, he said, but for your sake I would be willing to try, Excellency. But if you say, I'll try it. The general shook his head. I had rather not be the test case. No, I don't want to be the test case. He felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed with the cares of his life as an official in times such as these, when repeated victory brought great responsibilities all over the South Pacific. Because he was a general, he had many responsibilities, so he felt weak and overwhelmed because of caring. It is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep. There is your bad luck. This is because your bad luck that unfortunate man, that prisoner of war, washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably. I feel it so myself, Sadao said gently. Yes, Excellency, I feel so. It would be best if he could be quickly killed, the general said. It will be a best idea that man should be killed as soon as possible. Not by you but by someone who does not know him. लेकिन तुम उसको नहीं मारोगे, कोई और मारेगा. I have my own private assassins. And he suggested that he had his own private assassins, killers. Suppose I send two of them to your house tonight or better, any night. मान लो कि आज रात को चाहे किसी और रात को मैं उनमें से दो को भेज देता हूँ तुम्हारे घर. It is now warm. What would be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps? तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा क्या होगा, गर्मी भी है, उसके कमरे का दरवाजा जो गार्डन की तरफ है खोल देना. Certainly it would be very natural, Sadao agreed. In fact, it is so left open every night. Yeah, it is left open every night. Good, the general said, yawning. They are very capable assassins, they are very capable assassins. They make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. No stains at all. कोई दाग धब्बे नहीं छोड़ेंगे वो. If you like, I can even have them remove the body. अगर तुम कहो तो मैं उनसे बॉडी भी हटवा दूंगा. Sadao considered. That perhaps would be best. Excellency, he agreed, thinking of Hana. Because he had promised Hana that he was going to get rid of that man as soon as possible. He left the general's presence then and went home, thinking over the plan. He went home. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hands. He was thinking that he would get rid of that person. He would tell Hannah nothing, since she would be timid at the idea of assassins in the house. उसने सोचा कि वो हाना को कुछ नहीं बताएगा assassins के बारे में क्योंकि वो डर जाएगी. And yet certainly such persons were essential in an absolute state such as Japan was. But these type of killers were necessary in Japan. How else could rulers deal with those who opposed them? This was the only thing the rulers could deal with those who opposed them. अपने विद्रोहियों का सामना करने के लिए जरूरी था. He refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. He went to meet the American while he was in bed. But as he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed. What he found? That young man was out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. And he was preparing to go into the garden. That means he was getting well. What is this? He exclaimed. Who gave you permission to leave your room? Who allowed you to leave your room? I'm not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily, happily. Ghost, I feel pretty good again. For the God's grace, I feel pretty good again. But will the muscles on this side always feel stiff? I am feeling muscles stiff, rigid. Is it so? So thou inquired, surprised. He forgot all else. Now I thought I had provided against that. He murmured. He lifted the edge of the man's shirt and gazed at the healing scar. He looked at the healing scar, his wound, after pulling his shirt. Massage may do it, he said, if exercise does not. It will need massage. It won't bother me much, the young man said. This is not a matter for me. His young face was gaunt under the stubbly blonde beard. His young face was gaunt, lean, dubla patla, under the stubbly blonde beard, short, golden beard. Say, doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. If I hadn't met a Jap like you, a Japanese like you, well, I would not be alive today, I know that. अगर तुम्हारे जैसा जापानीज मुझे नहीं मिला होता तो मैं आज जिंदा नहीं होता. Sadao bowed, but he could not speak. Sadao did not speak. Sure, I know that. Tom went on warmly. Tom continued warmly. His big thin hands, gripping a chair, were white at the knuckles. His big thin hands gripping a chair, he was catching a chair, and the knuckle, the portion between two fingers, were white at the knuckles. I guess if all the Japs were like you, there would not have been a war. अगर सारे जापानीज तुम्हारे जैसे होते तो वॉर नहीं हुआ होता. Perhaps Sadao said with difficulty. And now I think you had better go back to bed. लेकिन अब तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा क्या होगा कि अपने बेड में जाओ. He had the boy back into bed and then bowed. Good night, he said. Sadao slept badly that night. Time and time again he woke thinking he heard the rustling of footsteps, the sound of a twig broken or a stone displaced in the garden. अब रात में वो बार बार जाग जाता. उसको डर लगता कहीं assassins आ गए. Displaced in the garden. A noise such as men might make who carried a burden. और किस तरह के साउंड, कैसे साउंड आते थे? जैसे कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं और किसी को लेके जा रहे हैं, कोई सामान ढो रहे हैं. The next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room. The next morning he said to his wife that he would go first to the room of that guest. If the American were gone, he then could simply tell Hannah that so the general had directed. अगर अमेरिकन नहीं होगा तो बता देगा हाना को कि जैसे जैसे कहा था जनरल ने. But when he opened the door, he saw at once that there on the pillow was the saggy blonde head. जैसे ही दरवाजा खोला तो उसको वो गोल्डन चेहरा, येलोइश चेहरा उसको दिखता है. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep and he closed the door again quietly. उसने महसूस किया कि वो अभी सो रहा था. उसने फिर से दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. He is asleep, he told Hannah. He is almost well to sleep like that. वो ठीक है, सो रहा है. What shall we do with him? Hannah whispered her old refrain. फिर हाना वही पुराना राग बताती है, रेफरेन, रिपीटिशन, कि हम उसका क्या करेंगे. सदाओ shook his head. I must decide in a day or two, he promised. मैं एक दो दिन में फैसला कर लेता हूँ. But certainly he thought the second night must be the night. उसने सोचा कि आज रात को नहीं अगर आए वो तो कल आ जाएंगे. The second night must be the night. There rose a wind that night, and he listened to the sounds of bending bows and whistling partisans. टहनियों की आवाज़ें, कुछ और सरसराहट की आवाज़ें, कुछ सीटी बजने की आवाज़ें उसको सुनाई पड़ रही थी. हाना वोक टू, हाना भी जाग गई. Ought we not go and close the sick man's partition? क्यों ना हम जा करके उसके दरवाजे को बंद कर दें. She asked. No, Sadao said, he is able now to do it for himself. अब वो खुद कर सकता है, हमें करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But the next morning the American was still there. अगले दिन देखा गया तो अभी वही था. Then the third night of course must be the night. Then Sadao thought, चलो आज नहीं तो कल, अगली रात को, थर्ड नाइट को. The wind changed to quiet rain and the garden was full of the sound of dripping eaves. बारिश हो रही थी. And running springs, पानी बह रहा था, उसकी आवाज़ें आ रही थी. Sadao slept a little better, but he woke at the sound of a crash and leaped to his feet. उछल गया. एक क्रैश की आवाज़ उसको सुनाई पड़ी. What was that? Hannah cried. ये क्या था? हाना ने पूछा. The baby woke at her voice and began to wail. अब बच्चा भी जाग गया, रोने लगा. I must go and see. But he held her and would not let her move. हाना ने कहा मैं जाके देखती हूँ, लेकिन सदाओ ने उसका हाथ पकड़ लिया, नहीं जाने दिया. सदाओ she cried. What is the matter with you? सदाओ क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Don't go, he muttered. Don't go, जाओ मत. His terror infected her and she stood breathless. अब उसके डर को देख करके वो ब्रेथलेस खड़ी हो गई. There was only silence. Together they crept back into the bed. Both of them crept back into the bed, the baby between them. And who was between them? The baby who was wailing. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. अगले दिन फिर देखा तो फिर वो यंग मैन दिखा उसको अपने बिस्तर में. He was very gay and had already washed and was now on his feet. जब दरवाजा खोला तो वो नहा धो चुका था, अपना बेयर्ड दाढ़ी बना चुका था. He had asked for a razor yesterday and had shaved himself, and today there was a faint color in his cheeks. So there was a faint color visible into his cheeks. I'm well, he said joyously. बड़ी खुशी से उसने कहा, I'm well. So thou drew his kimono round his weary body. अब अपना किमोनो जो उसका रोब है, जापानीज रोब कपड़ा है, वो उसने अपनी weary बॉडी पे खींच लिया. He could not, he decided suddenly, go through another night. अब उसने सोचा कि लग रहा है जनरल तकीमा नहीं कर पाया अपना काम, चलो एक रात और सही. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. He was not thinking about that man, about his life. It was not worth the strain. उसको तनाव लेने की जरूरत बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. You are well, Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight. अब वो फैसला कर लेता है कि उसको वो बचाएगा। क्या करेगा? तुम इतने अच्छे अब हो चुके हो कि अगर मैं अपनी नाव को आज समुद्र में डाल दूं, शोर पे किनारे पे लगा दूं, with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. उस छोटे से आइलैंड पे तुम चले जाओगे जो इस कोस्टल एरिया ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है। इट इज़ सो नियर द कोस्ट दैट इट हैज़ नॉट बीन वर्थ फोर्टिफाइंग। यहाँ कोई गार्ड भी नहीं है, क्योंकि कोस्ट से इतना नज़दीक है कि वहाँ कोई गार्ड नहीं रहता। Nobody lives on it because in storm it is submerged. यहाँ कोई रहता भी नहीं उस छोटे से आइलैंड पे, क्योंकि तूफान के टाइम में ये डूब जाता है। But this is not the season of storm. But this season is not a season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. So what do you have to do? वहाँ जाना है, कोरियन फिशिंग बोट का इंतज़ार करना है, और जैसे कोरियन फिशिंग बोट आए वहाँ पे अपना बैठ करके निकल जाना। They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathoms deep there. ये fathom डेप्थ नापने की यूनिट है। चूंकि पानी गहरा है इस वजह से बिल्कुल बगल से जाते हैं। The young man stared at him slowly, comprehending, trying to judge, trying to understand. He was staring at him, looking at him. Do I have to? He asked. मुझे करना है? I think so, Sadao said gently. सदाव ने कहा, हाँ मुझे ऐसा ही लगता है। यू अंडरस्टैंड इट इज़ नॉट हिडन दैट यू आर हियर। यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज नॉट हिडन दैट यू आर हियर। अब सब लोग जान चुके हैं कि तुम यहाँ हो, तो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा यही होगा कि तुम यहाँ से निकल जाओ।